Hi guys, this is going to be the tutorial for origami curves. First I'm using 50 by 70 centimeters paper. I'm gonna mark the paper with a white pencil so you can see the lines. I'm trying to space them out so it's easier to fold them in the next step. I'm using the back part of our old crochet, so you can scratch the paper like that. You can use any metallic point. Just make sure that's rounded so you don't cut the paper down. You can use any like metallic point that you like, or the backpack or of a knife or a spoon. Just make sure that's not too sharp so you can't break the paper. I recommend using a cutting mat in the back so you don't tear the paper down. If it's too soft, you can actually puncture the paper. You can use it directly on the table, but I scratched the table once, so it's safer that you use a cutting mat. It doesn't need so much force to mark the paper, just a little bit pressure. Here I'm erasing the lines so it doesn't make it to the final product. So the folding, I'm using a pinching maneuver. The one hand on the back side and one hand on the front side. So I'm guided with the lines that I used to do. Just remember making one mountain and one valley. That way is gonna make a very interesting origami pattern. Now to the painting. Always use a protective mask using spray paint and painting in the outside always. I chose two colors and painted from each side just to make a very good pattern. Now I'm ironing the paper. Just use a common household iron. Don't be afraid of wetting the paper. It usually can resist a lot of moisture. I recommend doing this on a hard cotton cloth on top of a table, so it has better results. I like dusting to take the excess paint off, and that's it. Then you can frame it and enjoy it. Thank you. Thanks for supporting my work on Patreon. I'm very grateful for all of you. So goodbye and have a good year.